Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first sale on eBay. Start by setting up your eBay account and optimizing your first listing. High-quality photos taken in good lighting are crucial, along with a detailed and honest description of your item. Researching comparable items helps you set a competitive price, often leading to a faster sale. Consider offering free shipping. It's a proven way to make your listing more appealing to potential buyers and can significantly boost your chances of a quick first sale. To optimize your listing, strategically use keywords in your title and description. This helps buyers find your item easily. Selecting the most accurate category is also vital for visibility. For your first sale, a 7-day auction with a low starting bid, perhaps 99 cents, can create excitement and encourage bidding, often leading to a higher final price than expected. This strategy helps you gain initial traction and positive feedback. Building buyer trust is paramount for repeat business and positive feedback. Respond to any buyer questions within a few hours to show you are attentive. Once sold, ship your item promptly, ideally within 24 hours, and always provide tracking information. Package your item carefully using appropriate materials to ensure it arrives safely, preventing any potential issues or returns. A smooth transaction encourages positive reviews. After a successful sale, leave positive feedback for your buyer right away. This often prompts them to return the favor. Positive feedback is essential for new sellers, as it builds your reputation and encourages future sales. Continuously monitor your sales performance and adjust your listing strategies, pricing, or shipping options as needed. Learning from each transaction will help you grow your eBay business effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.